Hey guys, this is Sky. Today's challenge is from reverse engineering. I am working on Kali Linux, but you can use any OS system. Our first challenge is transformation. Okay, click there. We have to open this file in the terminal. CD download, and then we have to open that file. ENC. So that ENC. We see some Unicode here. So copy it. Open CyberShare. We'll use magic filter for this Unicode. So search magic filter. And click on intensive mode. Now scroll down. And here we found our flag. Copy it. Paste and submit. Next challenge is vaultdoortraining. Okay. We have to open this Java file in the terminal. Here we see a flag. Here we see a flag pattern. So copy that. Paste it and add the flag pattern and submit. And we are done. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And see you in the next one.